Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage, a chronicle of timekeeping. First 1 to 4 questions are to find out the paragraph from which the given statements have been taken. First statement is a description of an early timekeeping invention affected by cold temperatures. एक डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया गया है कि जो पहले का टाइमकीपिंग इन्वेंशन था वो कोल्ड टेम्परेचर्स से अफेक्टेड था. This statement is mentioned in paragraph D. One of the first water clocks was a basin with a small hole near the bottom through which the water dripped out. The falling water level denoted the passing hour as it dipped below hour lines inscribed on the inner surface. Although these devices performed satisfactorily around the Mediterranean, they could not always be depended on in the cloudy and often freezing weather of northern Europe. वैसे तो ये डिवाइस ठीक से काम करती थी लेकिन ये क्लाउडी एंड फ्रीजिंग वेदर में सही नहीं होती है. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज an explanation of the importance of geography in the development of the calendar in farming communities. Farming communities में calendar development के लिए geography की importance. This statement is taken from paragraph B. Before the invention of artificial light, the moon had greater social impact. And, for those living near the equator in particular, its waxing and waning was more conspicuous than the passing of the seasons. Hence, the calendar that were developed at the lower latitudes were influenced more by the lunar cycle than by the solar year. Next statement is a description of the origins of the pendulum clock. Pendulum clock के origin का description. It is mentioned in paragraph F. By the 16th century, a pendulum clock had been devised but the pendulum swung in a large arc and thus was not very efficient. Next statement is details of the simultaneous efforts of different societies to calculate time using uniform hours. Uniform hours को use करके time calculation में different societies का एक साथ किए गए efforts. This statement has been taken from paragraph E. The advent of the mechanical clock meant that although it could be adjusted to maintain temporal hours, it was naturally suited to keeping equal ones. With these, however, arose the question of when to begin counting, and so in the early 14th century, a number of systems evolved. The schemes that divided the day into 24 equal parts varied according to the start of the count. Italian hours began at sunset, Babylonian hours at sunrise, astronomical hours at midday and great clock hours, used for some large public clocks in Germany, at midnight. Next 5 to 8 questions are to match the statements with the nationality. First question is, they devised a civil calendar in which the months were equal in length. उन्होंने एक ऐसा civil calendar बनाया जिसमें months की length equal थी. Centuries before the Roman Empire, the Egyptians had formulated a municipal calendar having 12 months of 30 days, so its answer is Egyptians. Next question is, they divided the day into 2 equal halves. उन्होंने दिन को 2 बराबर भागों में बांटा. These were superseded by small clock or French hours, which split the day into 2 12-hour periods commencing at midnight, so its answer is French. Next question is, they developed a new cabinet shape for a type of timekeeper. Timekeeper के तौर पर उन्होंने एक new cabinet shape develop किया. To address this, a variation on the original escapement was invented in 1670, in England. इसी paragraph की third last line, moreover, this invention allowed the use of a long pendulum which could beat once a second and thus led to the development of a new floor standing case design, which became known as the grandfather clock. So because it was in England, therefore its answer is English. Next question is, they created a calendar to organize public events and work schedules. उन्होंने public events and work schedules के लिए calendar create किया. The Babylonians began to measure time, introducing calendars to coordinate communal activities, to plan the shipment of goods, and, in particular to regulate planting and harvesting. So its answer is Babylonians. Next 9 to 13 questions are to label the diagram. First question is here in the diagram. Escapement resembling, matlab kisi se milta julta. It was called the anchor escapement, which was a lever-based device shaped like a ship's anchor. So its answer is ship's anchor. Next, where the indication is given in the diagram. The motion of the pendulum rocks this device so that it catches and then releases each tooth of the escape wheel. So its answer is escape wheel and next answer is tooth. Next 12 and 13 questions. What indicates in diagram? Long size is something which beats each dash. This invention allowed the use of a long pendulum which could beat once a second. So first answer is long pendulum and second answer is second. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.